Day 88 of doing a Leetcode problem every day until I get a job. All right, guys, we're back again another day, another Leetcode problem. This time we're at day 88. I hope you guys are feeling well. Hope you guys are still motivated and not losing any discipline. And I hope you guys are ready to learn some more Leetcode today. But before we get started, guys, don't forget, bring a mouse. Bring your mouse right over here and click that subscribe button for me, guys. Then after you click that subscribe button, go ahead and smash that like button for me, guys. And then after you smash that like button, I'm calling all of my bankers to the comment section right now. I need y'all to drop 2 bank emojis in the comment section so we could run this engagement up and we could get this content out to a broader audience and get more people interested in Swift, guys. Excuse me. Now, with that being said, I know why you're here. And today we have question number 739 daily temperatures. The difficulty level is medium, guys, but don't worry, we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as possible because we're all trying to learn. And there's no point in writing code that nobody understands. Now, let's see what the question says. It says, given an array of integers, temperatures represents the daily temperatures, return an array answer such that answer I is the number of days you have to wait until the ith day to get a warmer temperature. If there is no future day for which this is possible, keep answer I equal to 0 instead. So let's break that down and see what they mean. So we have an input of temperatures. It's an array of integers, 73, 74, 75, 71, 69, 72, 76, and 73. Then we have the output, which is another array of integers, which is 1, 1, 4, 2, 1, 1, 0, 0, right? So what these represent is how many days the corresponding index in temperature has to wait until it reaches a warmer day, right? So, and if we start at index 0 in temperatures, it has to wait 1 day until it's a warmer temperature, right? So we put a 1 right here. Then we start from index 1. Index 1 has to wait 1 day until there's till there's a warmer temperature. So we put 1 right here. Now we're index 2. Index 2 has to wait 1, 2, 3, 4 more days until there's a warmer temperature. So we put a 4 right here. Now we're at excuse me. Now we're at index 3. Index 3 has to wait 1, 2 days before there's a warmer temperature. So we put a 2 right here. Now we're at, what is it, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're at index 4. Index 4 has to wait 1 day until there's a warmer temperature, so we put a 1 right here. Now index 5 has to wait 1 day until there's a warmer temperature, so we put a 1 right here. Then hold up, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So index 6, there are 0 days left at the warmer temperature. So we put a 0 right here for the corresponding index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So all these temperatures right here correspond or correlate to these all these indexes right here correspond or correlate to these indexes up here, or vice versa. So index 6, there's 0 days, but we don't know if there's going to be another warmer day, right? So if there's no future day, which is possible, we just return 0. So that's why we return a 0 for index 6, and we're going to do the same for index 7. We're going to return a 0 because there are no more days. There are no more warmer days after that, right? We look at example 2, same thing. Input temperatures, array of integers, 30, 40, 50, and 60. So index 0, you have to wait 1 day. Boom. Index 1, you have to wait 1 day. Boom. Index 2, you have to wait 1 day. And boom. And index 3, there are no more days, so we put a 0. And then the same thing for example 3, temperatures, an array of integers, 30, 60, and 90. Index 0, index 0, we have to wait 1 day. Boom, put a 1 right there for index 0. Index 1, we have to wait 1 day. So boom, we put a 1 right here for index 1. And then index 2, there are no warmer days, so we put a 0 right there for index 2, guys. So that's how the question works. That's what the question is asking. Now that we know what the question is asking, let's get into the fun part, the actual code. Now, the actual code's not that difficult, guys, so stick with me. We about to get through this, and we're just going to get through it, man. We're going to push through. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to declare a variable called stack, and we are going to set that equal to, we're going to have an array. Then we're going to open up our parentheses inside that array, and we're going to put two integers. Put int, comma, int. Then we're going to just come right here, put the parentheses outside of that. Then we're going to do the same thing, declare another variable. This time this variable is going to be called result, and that is going to be equal to an array of repeating zeros. We're going to initialize it with the repeating 0. The count is going to be temperature dot count, or excuse me, temperatures dot count from up here, from right here. So it's going to be temperatures dot count. Then we're going to come down here. We're going to say open. We're going to say for. Open up the parentheses. We're going to say index, comma, temperature, and temperatures dot enumerated. And remember, this enumerated is going to get us the end. It's going to return us the index and the temperature. So the index and the value of that index. Then we're going to come down here, and we are going to say, we're going to start a while loop, and we're going to say while let, open the parentheses, last t, comma, last end for index. We're going to set that equal to stack.last, comma, last t is less than temperatures. Open up the brackets. Remember, it's a while loop. Then we're going to say stack.remove last. Then we're going to come underneath that. We're going to say result. Open up the array brackets, and we're going to say last end. Then we're going to say equals index minus last end. Right? Then we're going to come down here, and we're going to say stack.append. Then we're going to open up the parentheses. Then we're going to open up the parentheses again, and we're going to say temperature, comma, index. Then we're going to come right here, and we are going to say return result. And that should be all she wrote, guys. Let's see how it runs. Hopefully it runs well. You never know. And we got a typo. This should say return. So let's try that again. Let's try that again and see if that works. Let's see. Okay, now let's see. It says cannot find temperatures, and so that means there's a typo. It should be a P right here. Now let's run it again, guys. You never know. You could never be too sure. Cannot convert value of and so expect. So let's see what's going on here. So we have to. Let's see what's going on here. Well, that's No, that's No, that's not right. Yeah, let me see. What I do last time? Okay, there it is. So I had to remove the S. Then we have another typo, guys. My bad. So let's run it now. Let's run it again and see how it runs, guys. Sorry about that. Oh my goodness. So how did I spell it wrong? Oh, it's a P right here. I'm so sorry, guys. But hey, we're getting through it, and there it is, guys. It's accepted after all that. But look, we stayed pushing. We kept pushing through. We didn't lose focus, and we got out on the other side. And look at that, guys. It's accepted, and we fixed all the bugs. We beat 560, 568 milliseconds, beat 49.36% of users with Swift, guys. Now, not too bad at all. I hope to see you guys tomorrow for another day, another Leetcode problem. Before we leave, get one more look at the code, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.